Tap Essentials video is teaching the 8-count riff. 8 components: touch, scuff, heel drop, heel dig, toe drop, 3 heel drops. Make 8 beats or sounds. Keep ankles and knees loose and relaxed. Practice time, speed it up. Do that again, a little faster. Can you go faster than that? One more time, as fast as you can. Nose goes. I know I haven't been here for a while. I've been enjoying my break from school, and that included a break from doing these YouTube videos. But I'm glad to be getting back into things again. I am looking forward to having the time in this summer to start working on more dance routines for you, and I'm planning to start sharing videos on how to do time steps as well. So those are coming up.